the same ceiling, but we're living miles apart. Same address, different planets.